Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the beginners at the Kenn Centre on the 1st of November. We did an arm jive, a step across, a side to side and a catapult. If you need teaching information for each of those moves, links in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything went together. We started with the arm jive and it went like this. It went 7 and 8, offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return for the step across, underneath, pull down and look, return for the side to side, we come in and out, in and switch for the catapult, we went sweep, lean, to the side, spin and catch, return and back, and that was that. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.